Hi, my name is Lauren with Worth Avenue Yachts. Today we're here at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show on board Catch, an 87-foot Feadship built in 1984 and refitted in 2023. Let's go meet the captain. Okay, Captain, tell me about yourself.
So my name is Gareth. I have been on board for about 3.5 years. We bought the boat. Boss really loved the boat, but he wanted to do a little bit of refit on it, so we sent it back to Feadship. It spent about 1.5 years there getting refit, and then sent it back over to the side of the world.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what are your favorite features of Catch?
My favorite features about Catch, that it is a Feadship sport fish. They've only ever built 2 of them, which this one's been through 2 major refits, once in 2004, 2005, and then against once we acquired the boat. It is a very unique and special boat in the sport fishing world, so yeah, I just love the boat.
And where have you guys taken it?
We have been all over, so we've done all up the East Coast, up to Montauk, Nantucket, the Vineyard, all around there, Annapolis and Maryland, and then we've done probably 4 or 5 trips to Bahamas, all over the Abacos, the Exumas, the Luthras, and yeah, all over the place. And home base is here in Fort Lauderdale.
Cool.
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for chatting with us today. We're going to go inside and take a look.
Thank you so much, and enjoy the boat.